Hi, everyone. I'm here with Nicole. Once again, the gut girl. Thanks for being here, Nicole.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, so if you guys like interviews and information that we have that we get from nutritionists, personal trainers, doctors, subscribe to the channel and click that little bell button. Um, and hopefully you can get the health and fitness information that you're looking for here. So, Nicole, we're going to talk about Mullin. I have some. My wife asked me in the morning, "Did you take your Mullin?" And so, I'm like, I didn't take it today. So I take my dropper. And so there, I took some. So,
Perfect.
so what is it?
So it's a leaf that grows all over the place. Usually I can just go out my front door and get it. But it's a 2-year plant. So it matures by 2 years and it won't grow back. So you have to redo it. But it has many, many benefits to it. And I love it at this time of the year because everybody's getting colds and mucousy has, respiratory stuff going on, and Mullin will completely loosen the mucus.
Hmm.
It will also help decrease inflammation because it coats and soothes the mucous membranes. So it also soothes coughs. So instead of cough syrup, we use Mullin. It's also really, really good for earaches. So you can make it in an olive oil tincture, and we use it for earaches all the time.
Hmm. So this is organic. I don't know if you can see it. Mullin. Um, And you said you like it, with your clients, in the winter because they might have congestion or whatever. And
Coughs, all that kind of stuff. It's also an antibacterial and an antiviral. So that's a really good thing that it won't kill your good bacteria. It will just get in there for an antibacterial. Um, and you can do it yourself. I do it myself in tinctures. I let it soak in vodka or I do it in an oil based so that I always have a Mullen tinctures right at my fingertips.
okay, so this is like a dropper.
Hmm.
Is it? Does it come in other forms or?
It can come in a salve, which we always have and we take in our backpacks for when we hike and that kind of stuff because you can put it on a wound and it helps tremendously stop the wound from getting worse and it heals it quicker. Skin irritations, eczema, candida on the skin, it really helps.
Wow, so that's quite the long list of benefits that this stuff has, and it's just a plant.
Yeah, it's
Hmm.
amazing. And one of the big things too is it helps constipation.
Wow. What doesn't it do?
Really. Now you
Huh.
know why I love it.
Yeah. Okay. So, any last things that you would add to anything about this, or there's really no side effects. It can't hurt you. I mean,
No, no. There is no real side effects to it. I mean, it doesn't taste good sometimes when it's
this
in
does.
a tincture form.
Yeah, this tastes good.
Oh, perfect.
Well, I mean, that was a quick little list of benefits. Nicole, we appreciate you telling us about Mullen. And if you guys have questions, put them in the comment section, and I'll make sure Nicole sees that. And or if you, this it sounds like this is work or doing things for, I mean, benefits for so many things. If you're using it for something else and you know anything that it's benefited you for, put those in the comment section. It'd be interesting
Absolutely.
to find out what you all might be using this for. So, Nicole, thank you so much for being with us, and we will talk to you next time.
Thank you.